In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to turn on reverse wireless charging on your Samsung S24 Ultra. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The Samsung S24 Ultra, like many other smartphones nowadays, have a feature called reverse wireless charging, where you are able to use the battery available in the S24 Ultra to charge other devices that you place on the back of the smartphone. So you can use it to charge other phones and then accessories like a smartwatch or a set of earbuds. So to do this, access the settings and then go into the battery options. So open the settings and then choose battery. Inside of battery, scroll down until you see wireless power sharing. So instead of calling it reverse wireless charging, Samsung titles it wireless power sharing, but the idea is exactly the same. When you go into this menu, it's as simple as enabling it here. Now there is one additional option, which is the battery limit. So essentially, whatever number you set the battery limit to, whenever your device reaches that battery limit, it will stop charging other devices, which means that you can always reserve a little bit of battery for yourself and you don't have to worry about it going lower than that amount. So all that you have to do after you enable it here, as you can see according to the description, put the center of your phone back to back with another device, like this image. If you have trouble connecting or charging is slow, remove any cover from each device. So if you are using a case, for example, make sure that you remove it as needed. Wireless power sharing will stop when you make a call, receive a call, or use the camera. Works with most QI compatible devices. Different devices may charge at different speeds, so you can use other phones that are not from Samsung. Just keep in mind that the differences might be there in regards to speed. So all that you have to do in short is to enable this, and you will be able to use it on your Samsung S24 Ultra or any other model of phone that supports it from Samsung. I hope I was able to help you on how to turn on reverse wireless charging Samsung S24 Ultra. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.